how to fix too many attempts problem on your Telegram. So all what you have to do, guys, is very simple. Just keep watching. First thing you want to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps, and here on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Open the Telegram app, and now this is the app informations page. Or what you have to do here is click on the notifications management and then go to the priority display. Make sure that it's enabled. So go back again, click on the permissions and disable the catalogs permission, and then go to the storage. Click on this clear cache to clear all the cache. Now last thing you want to do is click on open by default. Go to open supported links in this app and make it always allow, and that's it, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching the video.